Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is Friday and Friday means it's a special day for us. So that's why whenever I completed my Jummah, I am here to make another vlog video. So as you know that if you want to be a good speaker, definitely you have to struggle a lot. That's why I have not taken my lunch and I am here to make the another outstanding video. So we all have experience of making mistakes in our life. Even I am not exceptional here. I made enough mistake in my life. So from today, as this is very special, so from today let's make a promise that we won't make this type of mistake in our life once again. So if I make any mistake in my life against you, pardon me. And I don't have any complaint about anyone. The most significant thing that I am going to share with you, that is that if you have really tendency to be proficient in English, definitely we have to know how to make videos in all situation. If you don't know how to make videos in all situation, we won't be able to speak in front of the public place. As you know that to be a public speaker, definitely we need somewhat confidence, and without confidence it's not possible. So if you don't speak in front of the public place, I think your confidence won't be boast. So to boast your confidence, let's make a video in all situation that can help you to increase your reputation in society and its people. You may think that people may think I am going to be mad, but these thoughts of those people who lives in society can help you to get an enlightened life. Okay, today as you can see behind me, who is Alamin Hussain, and he is following me, and he is very expert in learning English. It's been a long time. He has been trying to improve himself in learning English, but he never tried to speak in front of the public place because it's been a long time he can't make a practice.